Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramenrator, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from the United States. These are some fancy noodles from a company called LonoLife. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, wow. So what these guys are known for is bone broth. If you don't know what bone broth is, it's like higher protein and it's really, I guess, good for you. So let's look into some of the stuff in here. So I first heard about these a couple years ago. These are they're kind of like, what do you call them? Keurig, the coffee pod cup things. And one makes beef bone broth and the other one makes chicken bone broth. And I thought that was pretty cool. And it looks like they got the beef bone broth and the chicken bone broth in large bags and in jars. I don't know if these are different products or just different ways of presenting them. Oh, cool. They also sent a couple hats and they fit. Oh, nice. A water bottle, a couple of stickers, some drink coasters. Wow, a neat metal coffee mug, and a couple boxes. Now, you've probably been up to now, it's like, okay, so he's got all this broth, where are the noodles? Let's check it out. So check it out. Here's the beef bone broth variety. These are made with egg noodles, and they have 20 grams of protein. Here are the stats on the side. Let me try to zoom in on this for you. There we go. Hopefully you can see that pretty well. So yeah, that's the beef one. And again with 20 grams of protein. Here is the chicken one. Here are the stats on that. Sorry, it wants to be a little reflective. Alright, cool. Thanks to Jesse over at LonoLife for shooting these over. You can find out more over at LonoLife.com. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramenrator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.